Hey guys, welcome to Maths tutorial. In this video, we will learn to solve the integration of cos square x dx. If you like the video, please consider subscribing my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Please like and share it and comment in the comment section. So let's start. The given integration is integration cos square x dx. Now we will rewrite it as 1 by 2 times integration of 2 cos square x dx. Look that 2 gets cancelled here. So we have done nothing extra. Now this is equal to 1 by 2 times integration of 1 plus cos 2x dx. As we know that 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x. Now we will break the integration. Doing that we get 1 by 2 integration dx in the first part. And in the second part we get 1 by 2 integration cos 2x dx. Now after integrating the first part we get 1 by 2 times x. As we know that integration dx is equal to x. And integrating the second part, we get 1 by 2 times sin 2x by 2 plus c. Here c is an integration constant. In the second part, we have used this rule of integration, that is integration of cos mx dx is equal to sin mx by m. Here m is 2. Now after simplifying, we get 2x plus sin 2x by 4 plus c. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching.